this bezel off, you can use a small screwdriver, and just along here there's a couple little tabs where you can pry out, and then it should pop off. Tab right there. And there should be one more clip right there, and it just pops right off. Take a trim tool, just get underneath here, and pop that up. There should be some clips holding that on. This one's broken. You disconnect the connector, pop that off, push down on the tab. This connector right here, just get underneath that tab and pry it off. There's a bolt right here. Use a 10mm socket. Take that bolt out. And there's a bolt down here. It's kind of hard to see. You want to use a long extension to get in there. And either if it comes out with the socket or just use a magnet, pull it out. And use a trim tool and just go around. And you pop that off right there. There's a clip holding that on. And then there's push pins holding the rest of the door on. Grab the door panel and just slide up. Slide the wires through. It should slide right off. Take this insulation off right here. This mirror does not have a wire going to it. If it did, you're going to have to disconnect that down here. So we're going to continue on. Take these nuts off. Use a 10mm socket. When you go to take the last one off, you want to support the mirror on the other side. Take that off, and you can grab the mirror and just slide it out. Now take the mirror assembly, slide it in position, and take the nuts. Get one started. Once one is on there pretty good, you can let go of the mirror. Put the other two nuts on. And snug these down, not too tight. If you had a wire, plug that in now. Take the insulation, slide the insulation in place. Take the door panel, you can slide the wiring harness through there. And slide the top in first. And just push down. On the sides, the push pins should line up. When those are lined up, just tap it down. Make sure it's tapped in all the way. Make sure that's locked in. Take the two bolts. One's going to go down here. Get that one started. Tighten that down. Then take this bolt right here and tighten that down. Connect the connectors. Line that up. Lock it down. Slide it in position. Lock it down. Line the bezel up. There's two tabs that go in those two holes. Line those up. And carefully push and lock it down.